Hey guys, all right, it's time to start learning to play your ukulele. And you're going to need a couple of tools to do this with, and the main one being you're going to need a metronome like this, although we're discontinuing this metronome, but we will have some other metronomes in stock if you want to buy one. Or you can download an app on your phone that is a metronome. And I am using one right now that's called Metro, let me find it, Metro Timer, M-E-T-R-O Timer, T-I-M-E-R, Metro Timer. I use this all the time. When you open it up, that's what the screen looks like. So you can set your, how fast you want it to be, how slow you want it to be, just with a push of a button there. And in disclosure, I don't even know the creators of this app, have no idea who they are, so they're not giving me any money to, it's free, so they don't make any money off of it anyway. But anyway, it's a metronome app that I use. By the way, there are many different metronome apps in there. Most of them are free, okay?